December vibe up here is really something else. Mornings are crisp, not that bone-chilling cold, but a dry, breezy kind of cool that wakes you right up. It's been a bit gloomy lately with the sun coming up late, but one look at this squirrel cage and it's always bustling with life. Just look at them, folks! It's barely past 8 a.m. and they're already up, getting their morning workout in. We have tons of these here in the Central Highlands. People usually call them striped squirrels or ground squirrels. You can spot them instantly by those distinctive stripes on their fur. There's never a dull moment with these guys. They're always on the go. One's climbing a rope, another's sprinting across a wooden beam. It's like they're running a relay race. Honestly, keeping these little guys brings so much joy to the house. There's nothing like brewing a hot cup of coffee in the morning, sitting back, and watching them chitter and squabble over a spot to sleep or a bite to eat. It just makes life feel so much lighter. They are incredibly agile too. With their bushy tails puffed up, they zip up to the top in a flash and slide back down just as fast. Their paws are tiny, but man, do they have a grip! Out in the coffee plantations or cashew orchards, squirrels are foraging hard this time of year. But these guys have the good life in here, safe from the rain and sheltered from the sun.